All right, good people. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, good people. So we're gonna work on solving linear equations with proportions. All right, good peoples. What's the first thing y'all thinking? What we thinking? Go. Good. So whenever we have two fractions equal to each other, okay, the first thing you should be thinking is the butterfly method. Okay, so I got 3 times n minus 7 equals, and then we're gonna do what's 4 times 6? Good. All right, good people. What's my next thing? Y'all can just say it. Say it. Oh, good. Okay. I need to distribute here. I seen a couple of you guys. Y'all knew your steps. I seen a couple of y'all do this. Okay. Remember, you got to distribute that 3 to both numbers within the parentheses. Okay. So that's 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. Okay. So butterfly, we distributed. Now we can solve because nothing else can be combined, right? All right, good peoples. What y'all thinking? Good. Man, y'all getting better and better, man. Y'all making me happy. Add 21 on both sides, right? That's going to be 3n equals. Last step, good peoples. Good. 3n, that's a multiplication. That's the only way you can get those together. To undo, inverse would be division. What's 45 divided by 3? If you got that, can I get a thumbs up? Fire, fire, fire. All right, this one is going to be a little more challenging because we have 2 variables. So that means we're going to have a variable on both sides, right? So same thing. We got 2 fractions equal to each other, right? Let's do the butterfly method. Okay, so that's 6, which I will put on the outside. N minus 8, I will put in my parentheses. Okay, equals, same thing here. Good. 5 parentheses n plus 5. All right, good people. In unison, what we got to do next? Good. Let's distribute. So 6 times n, 6n, right? 6 times negative 8. There you go. Same thing. All right. Now, hold on. Give me a second. Nothing else can be combined, right? So, guys, look, because I had a couple of you guys was like, Mr. Sales, which one do I start with? It doesn't matter. Just make sure that whatever you do on one side, you do to the other one. So if I was you, what Mr. Sales likes to do when I got problems like this and it's variables and numbers on both sides, I try to get rid of the negatives. So I want to get rid of this negative 48. So I'm going to add 48. I'm going to add 48. Okay, now when I do that, that's 6n, 5n. What you mean? Okay, all right. So remember, if I subtract 6n, right, what's going to be here? Nothing, right? So it's no point in doing that step, right? Don't want to subtract 6n. But the only thing that can be combined with it is what? 5n. So let's subtract 5n. What I do on one side. So remember, we don't even have to put 1 in. You can just put n equals which one? You good? Are you sure? Mm-hmm. The only negative was right here, good people. This would have been the only negative, and we got rid of that when we added 48. Y'all good? Did you? If you got it, can I get a thumbs up? Can I get a thumbs up? Easy money? All right. Good job, good people. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going.